Today, we'll be taking a look at how to assemble the Paris 36-volt e-bike. Using a box cutter or scissors, cut the straps and tape on the top of the box. Open the box, and inside you'll find one basket cover, one Daymak hat, one bicycle seat, one mud flap, one bag of parts, and a Daymak box. Inside the Daymak box you'll find 2 pedals, the charger, the Paris keys, and a tool bag. Inside the tool bag you'll find a hand pump, a manual tire removal tool, a multi-wrench, a multi-tool, and a flat tire kit. Score the sides of the box to gain access to the bike. Remove the box and rest the bike on its front shocks and back tire. Remove the protective bubble wrap and plastic. Align the base of the handlebars with the opening of the bike and slide it in. Using the Allen key on the multi-tool, tighten the handlebars in place. Remove the nut and bolt located at the top of the shocks. Retrieve the headlight holder from the bag of parts, as well as the mud flap. Place the bolt through the headlight holder and insert the bolt in the same orientation. Feed the bolt through the mud flap holder and tighten the nut. Tighten the bolt with the multi-tool. Retrieve the headlight and remove the nut and bolt. Align the holes on the headlight with the holes on the headlight holder and insert the nut and bolt in the same orientation. Tighten the bolt with the multi-tool. Remove the plastic protector and plastic wrap from the front tire. Remove the nut and washer from both sides of the tire. Remove the plastic protector where the axle of the tire will rest. Line up the tire axle where the plastic protector was removed. Slide the tire into place. Make sure the disc on the tire is on the left side where the brake disc is located. Replace the washer and upside down and tighten with the multi-wrench. Place the plastic nubs located in the Daymak box over the nuts. At this point, rest the bike on the kickstand. Remove the bolts located on the left and right of the shocks just above the headlight. Retrieve the metal basket holder from the bag of parts and replace the bolts in the same orientation. Make sure the basket holder extends from the top of the bolts, not below. Place the basket on the basket holder. Retrieve the rounded metal plate and 2 nuts and bolts from the bag of parts. Holding the metal plate in place, feed the bolts through the basket and secure with the nuts. Retrieve the square metal plate and 2 nuts and bolts from the bag of parts. Feed the bolts through the metal plate. Retrieve the square metal plate with the groove from the bag of parts. Thread the bolts through the square metal plate and tighten them. The basket cover snaps into place. Retrieve the pedals from the Daymak box. You will need a wrench. Screw the pedals into place, making sure the right and left pedal are on the corresponding sides. Insert the bike seat and tighten it into place. inflate your tires, and make sure that the tire pressure is between 40 and 65 psi. Your Paris e-bike is ready for the road.